Hello, everybody. This is Martin Ramirez from MI5. MI5 stands for Millionaire in 5 years or less. That's my motto and my brand. I became a millionaire by investing, um, day trading, and swing trading stocks, like hype stocks or growth stocks. So basically, stocks that are going to make a lot of money in a short period of time. And today, I want to talk about Lucid Group or Lucid Motors and what I did to make a pretty decent amount of money in a very short period of time. So let's get to it. So if you guys have not heard of Lucid Group, it is an electronic vehicle company that's just starting out, and they're starting to deliver some of their vehicles as of right now. They have a plant in Arizona, and they've been getting a lot of hype lately, and that hype has driven up the price. So if you look at the 1 week chart, you can see in October 26th, which is just a few days ago, we're looking at 26.52, 26.41, and then kind of side traded a little bit to October 27th, and then that's when it started to really climb to 29.13, climbing, and hit about 38.78 October 28th. At that time, I only had a small position at around 210 shares of Lucid because I was going to try to dollar cost average in. I didn't want to go all in at the moment because I wasn't sure what it was going to do. In hindsight, I should have bought probably 3,000 shares at that time, and I would have made a lot more money. But I didn't. But that's okay because you're not going to always, you're not going to foresee that all the time. And then it kind of took a decline to 33.75. Then I had another opportunity I could have bought, but I didn't. I waited a little while and I bought more, and I have a dollar cost average of 35.55, which is fine because right now, and then it shot up to 40.71. So my prediction is, because I have a 35.55 cost average, and right now it's at 37.57. This is after hours, of course, and this is Friday, October 29th. So we don't know what it's going to do by Monday. Is it going to drop? Is it going to have a pullback? Or is it going to shoot up past $40 again, or higher? Maybe even 50. Who knows? So, in just today's return is like $1,687, and total return, which is like in 2 days, is just a little under $3,500, which is good for some people, but for myself, that is very low. I expected a lot more. I could have had probably about $25,000 had I invested the way I told you. But you can't always be on top of things, and you snooze, you lose, like they say, right? But I got back in there and made some money, and I have not realized these gains yet. And what I mean by that, I'm not cashed out. So just because it says I'm up 3,400, Monday it could drop back down to whatever, and I would have 1,000, or maybe even a negative amount. Depends how low it might drop. But hopefully it's not going to drop. Hopefully it's going to get back up in the $40 range, or hopefully even higher than that. My prediction is Lucid will probably, by February of 2022, will be in the $60 range, which is very near where Neo got at one time. And after that, it might kind of have a pullback. So if you guys can get it up to $60, and I would cash out there instead of waiting another year or two for it to get back up there. Like I said, my thing is day trading and swing trading. Mostly day trading. A day trade is when you buy a stock and sell a stock in the same day for a profit. Swing trade could be arguably, it could be more than one day, all the way up to several months, depending upon several weeks or even several months if you do a real long swing trade. But swing trade to me is usually, I don't know, a week or two at the most. I usually don't swing trade longer than that. But like I said, if you guys are into Lucid, you guys want to make some money, I would definitely check it out. Be careful. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, definitely, because you don't know what this stock is actually going to do. Like I said, I'm sensing a pullback because it's hit such high peaks, and you can see it's already pulling back. But you can see here from here at 11:45 a.m. today to here. Let's see where we're at. 35.81. So 37.22. So maybe having a slight uptrend again. And Monday, who knows? It could hit $40 again, or it could go below 35 for sure. Who knows? So only time will tell. We're going to see. I consistently am able to find stocks like this that have a significant uptrend or really fast growth. I've done this with Neo. I made like $100,000 in 2 months, pretty fast, and I'm able to find these trends, make a profit, and get out of there. A lot of people buy in at a low cost. They wait till it gets to a real high peak like this here, for instance, at 40.71, and they hold, and then they never realize their profits. And even to this day, Neo has not got back to 60. What was it? $62. They're still trading at, I think, like 40 at the most. So you can make a lot more money by seizing that opportunity when it hits its high. And like I said, I've been able to do that multiple times, not only just on Lucid and Neo, but also on AMC as well. So if you guys want to kind of follow my trades and see what I'm doing next, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be sharing a lot more videos like this. So Lucid, we'll see what happens Monday, and we'll talk to you guys later.